In a place where the world seemingly ends, a city thrives, a paradox in itself. Welcome to the world's southernmost city, Ushuaia, a place that defies the ordinary. Nestled at the edge of the world, Ushuaia is a city that exists in defiance of nature's harshness, a testament to human resilience. Born out of the wilderness, it's a city with a history as dramatic as its landscape. Once a penal colony for Argentina's most hardened criminals, it has since morphed into a bustling hub for adventurers and explorers alike. Ushuaia's tale begins in the late 19th century when it was nothing more than a distant outpost. The Argentine government, seeking to establish its presence in this remote corner of the world, decided to set up a prison here. Isolated and inhospitable, it was the perfect place to send prisoners who posed a threat to society. The prison, with its notorious reputation, served as the foundation of the city. The prisoners, in a bid to survive, were the ones who built the city from scratch. They constructed buildings, laid down roads, and even set up a railway, the famed end-of-the-world train, which still runs today as a tourist attraction. The prison closed its doors in the mid-20th century, marking the end of an era. But the city they had built lived on. With the prison gone, Ushuaia had to reinvent itself. It transformed into a gateway for explorers venturing to Antarctica and a haven for nature lovers drawn by the pristine beauty of the surrounding Tierra del Fuego National Park. Today, it thrives as a bustling port city, a far cry from its harsh beginnings. In this video, we delved into the fascinating history of Ushuaia, from its inception as a penal colony to its transformation into a thriving city. We explored how it came to be, defying the odds to survive in one of the world's most inhospitable environments. And we discovered how it reinvented itself, becoming a hub for adventurers and a testament to human resilience. Ushuaia, the city at the end of the world, serves as a stark reminder that even in the harshest of conditions, life finds a way. A city that was born out of necessity, it has grown into a symbol of human endurance and the spirit of exploration. It's a city that defies expectations, a city that truly exists beyond the edge of the world, a city that, despite its remote location and harsh climate, has managed to carve out a niche for itself in the world. So when you venture to the ends of the earth, remember, there's a city waiting for you, a city that defies the odds, a city that, in its very existence, is a testament to human resilience and the spirit of exploration. That city is Ushuaia, the city at the end of the world.